Hey guys, here's a short video on how to draw this part. I'm not going to go into the details, just show you the general method and then you can figure it out from there. Alright, so let's just look at this general idea. Alright. Okay, first I would just sketch a circle and extrude it. Okay, so I have a base feature here. Okay. And then next I created this sketch on a plane that's right in the middle and then extruded as a cut there. Okay, so that means I extruded this area here. Okay. Then you can see I made a sketch of this profile, okay, on a middle plane, and then extruded it both ways. Okay, now everything is solid up to this point. Alright. Now the next thing was I went and created this hole. All I did was make a sketch on that face and I used the hole feature, okay, to make that counter bore hole. Okay. Now the last thing is I made this sketch here on this back face and then extruded it through everything to make that cut. And then finally I added all the fillets that are necessary. And that's the general idea, how to draw that part.